Hello. In this video, we're going to cover how to manually uninstall osquery that has been installed by the Uptycs installer. You can do this if you no longer want to use osquery on your Mac, or if you need to manually clear out the installation because you're having problems with the endpoint and you want to reinstall from scratch. We're going to do this using the terminal command shell. And most of the commands we're going to run today are going to have an elevated privilege because the libraries and files we're affecting are things which are normally restricted only to root or administrative groups. We'll also try and provide the commands in a text format so you can simply cut and paste these into your terminal window and supply your credentials if needed. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to basically use the launch control command to unload the osquery plist, which is what controls the service when it launches. So depending on how recently you've escalated privileges, when you do the first of these commands or any of these commands, you may be asked to authenticate for your password. I authenticated right before starting this video, so I'm not being asked for this. So basically what we've just done is we've stopped the osquery service from running. Now, having done that, we're going to go through and we're going to remove the plist that we just told to unload. And this is basically using the rm command to actually remove the file. And then we're going to remove the files and directories created by the osquery installer package. This is important if you are having a problem with a corrupt database or something like that, and we haven't been able to come to a resolution in any other way. This will remove the local database, so a new reinstall will create a new one. So we're going to basically go ahead and remove the log files. We're going to move the configuration files. And we're going to remove the actual binary files. And then one last command that we want to do, because in our initial manual install process, we use the package utility to create a package for osquery, is we're going to tell the package utility to stop tracking that. And that uses this command for package utility. All right, so now that you've issued all these commands, your machine should be, at least as far as osquery is concerned, in the state before you initially ran the installer. If you would like to reinstall osquery at this point, please see our corresponding video on how to install osquery using Uptycs. I hope this has been helpful, and please contact us if you have any questions. Thanks.